Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss with you chapter 8 sports. Okay. So here the first question is, what is the name of the octopus who predicted the outcome of many matches in the Football World Cup 2010? Okay. Here the right answer will be option C. Paul. Paul is the right answer here. Okay. Next question. Which of the following water sports is incorrectly named? Which of the following water sports is incorrectly named? See the picture. Okay, and here the right options will be option B. Okay, water polo. This is incorrectly named. Next question. Match the given columns and select the correct options. Countries name Pakistan, England, Scotland, New Zealand, and popular games name cricket, golf, field hockey, okay, rugby union. So here the right answer will be option B. Option B is the right answer. That means England. Sorry, here the right answer will be option B. That means this. A3. A is 3. A is 3. Then B1, B1, C2, C2, D4, D4. Okay. This will be the right options. Options B. Next question. Which of the following adventure sports is incorrectly named? Here the right answer will be option A. This is the right answer. Next, identify the material art shown in the figure, in the given picture. Okay. Here the right answer will be option C. Judo. Judo is the right answer. Judo is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Look at the picture of a football pitch and answer the questions 6, 7 and 8. See the football pitch. So 6 number question is, identify halfway line from the picture. Here the option is 1, 2, 3, 4. Identify halfway line from the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the options. Here the right answer will be option B. That is 2. 2. Okay. Halfway line. This line is called halfway line. Next. In the picture, the mark point 5 is dash. Here the option is center spot, center circle, penalty spot, none of these. So the right answer will be option B. That means penalty spot. So this point is point 5. This is a penalty point. Okay. Penalty spot. Next, at which of the following areas are goalkeepers allowed to handle ball? Here the right answer will be option C. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. These two are the goalkeepers allowed to handle ball. Next, the given images shows the equipments used in bowling. Name the equipments. Here the name of the equipment is option A. Pins. Pins is the name of the equipments. Next, West Indies for the first time won the ICC U19 Cricket World Cup final matches 2016 played at Mirpur in Bangladesh. In this match, West Indies defeated India, Australia, England, Pakistan. What will be the right answer? Right answer will be option A, India. Next, the Uber Cup is named after a former British woman player, Betty Uber. With which one of the following sports in this cup associated? Here the right answer will be option C, badminton. This will be the right answer. Next, boat race shown in the picture is a famous festival spot. Here the right answer will be option C. Okay, Kerala. Kerala is the right answer. Next, match the given columns and select the correct options. Here column 1 is Ashes Trophy, Sultan Ajlan Shah Cup, Durand Cup, and column 2 is in football, cricket, hockey. So here the right answer will be option D. This will be the right answer, option D. That means option A is 2. Okay, sorry, yes, A is 2, B 3, and C is 1. Okay, so this is the right answer. So option D is the right answer. Next, who among the following players has been awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? So here the pictures, see the pictures. Here the right answer will be option A. Okay. Next, what is the title of Kapil Dev's autobiography? Here the answer will be option B, Straight from Heart. Next, who among the following sportspersons in the recipient of Padma Bhushan awarded announced in January 2018? Here the right answer will be option D. This is the right answer. Identify the given yoga pose. Here the yoga pose name is, see the picture. Here the right answer will be option B, bow pose. Okay, bow pose, option B. Next, which of the following cricketers is in the list of the top 10 centuries makers of all time? The right answer will be option D. Okay, Virat Kohli is the right answer. Milk in daily diet is very essential for healthy bones and teeth. Which one of the following nutrients is not present in milk? Here the right answer is option C. That means vitamins C. Okay, so vitamin C is the right answer here. Who among the following has won the Arjuna Award for the exceptional performance in badminton? Here the right answer will be option B. Next, which of the following is not a type of aerobic exercise? Swimming, running, talking, walking, aerobic exercise. So here the right answer will be option C. Talking. Talking is a aerobic exercise. Next, the first Olympic Games were held in 1896 in the century where the ancient Olympic Games took place. Name the city in which the first Olympics of the modern era were held. Okay, the right answer will be option A. This will be the right answer. He was a colonel in Indian Army who won a silver medal in shooting at the 2004 Athens Summer Olympics. Who is he? Right answer will be options B. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. Okay. Next is the Winter Olympics 2018 were held in option C, South Korea. Every Olympics has its own set of pictograms. Which sport does the given pictogram depict? Here the right answer will be option C. Okay, this is the right answer. So this is chapter 8. Next chapter is chapter 9, maths fun. Okay. First questions, what is the sum of 4062 and 3796 when it is rounded off the nearest thousands. So here the right answer will be option C. Option C is the right answer. 8000, near 8000. Is in the given addition problem, the same number is missing. What is the missing number? So here the missing number is option answer. Right option is option A. Option A. That means 4 is the missing number. Next, Trishika is facing the museum. She takes 3 divided by 4, turn in the anti-clockwise direction, and then 1 by 2 turns towards her right. What will she be facing now? If she takes 3 by 4, turn the anti-clockwise 3 by 4. Okay. Then 1 by 2 turn towards her right. So here the right answer will be option B, hospital. Next, smallest factor of a number is dash and smallest positive multiple of a number is dash. Here the right option will be option A, 1, number itself. Next, in the given figure, how many more squares should be shaded so that 3 by 4 of the figure is shaded? Here the right options will be option D. Option D will be right options here, right? Okay, that means 8. Okay. Next, Meany observed that 2 butterflies have 12 legs in all. If she saw 35 butterflies in her garden, then how many legs of butterflies did she altogether? Here 2 butterflies have 12 legs. Okay, and if she saw 35 butterflies in his garden. So here the right answer will be option D, 210. Okay, 210 is the right answer. Compare and fill the box. DCL, triple X, IV, here MD, triple C, XC, triple L. Okay, so here compare and fill the box. Number 7 is C, is less than. Okay, less than. This is the right answer. Which of the following figures is a symmetrical? Here the right answer will be option D. Read the following statements carefully and select the correct options. Statement 1, all rectangles are square. Statement 2, all squares are rectangle. Here the correct options will be option B. Only statement 2 is correct. Yes, all squares are rectangles. If the perimeters of squares X and rectangles Y given below are the same, then find the length of each side of squares X. Here the right answer will be option D, 8 centimeter. This is the right answer. Okay. Next, here the right answer will be option D. Okay, so next question says Mohit's birthday is on 6th day after the Republic Day. Which day of the week was his birthday? Here see the chart. Okay, so on 6th day after the Republic. So here the Republic Day is 26th January. Na? So the 6th day means this will be Here the right answer will be option A. That means Monday. Okay. Monday is the right answer. Republic Day is 26th January. After that, that means Monday. Study the given graph carefully, which shows the number of boys and girls enrolled in 4 tuition centers. Okay. So see the diagram. Okay. So here, which tuition center has the highest enrollment of students? Here the right answer will be option D. That means S. Here this is the highest. This will be the highest. What is the weight of a triangle? Okay, what is the weight of a triangle? So here this is, see the picture carefully, then the right answer here, option B. Okay, 22 kgs. This is the right answer. Next questions. Identify me. I am a 4-digit number. All my digits are different. All digits add up to 20. The hundredth digit is double the ones digit, and tenth digit is thrice the thousand digits. Okay, so here the right answer will be option C, 2864. I am a 4-digit number. All my digits are different. All digits add up to 20. The 100 digits is double. Okay, so the ones digits and 10 digits is thrice the 1000 digits. So here the right answer will be option C. Next, football matches are played in 2 halves with a break in between. Each half lasts for 45 minutes. If the game started at 4:15 p.m., then at what time did the first half end? Here the right answer will be option B, 5 p.m. Okay. Next, 8 girls are in the queue of Science Museum ticket counter. Okay, this is the girl name. So how many girls will be behind Trishu if 2 more girls are added in the queue after puja? Okay, so here the right answer will be option A, 7. Raju cleaned 3/4 of the floor. What is the fraction of the floor left to be cleaned? Here the right answer will be option C, 4 divided by 7. Next, Amit and Ria baked cookies that they are selling to raise money for books for poor children. Each box of 6 cookies cost rupees 55. Aunt Salma buys 5 boxes. Mr. Rao buys 3 boxes. Grandma Patel buys 11 boxes, and Mr. Iyer buys 9 boxes. How much money have Amit and Ria collected so far? Here the right answer will be option A. Okay, 1540. Next, how many 4 letters meaningful English word can be formed with the 3rd, 5th, 15th and 17th letter of alphabets given below? If more than 2 words are formed, given M as the answer. If no such word is formed, given X as the answer. A to Z. So here the right answer will be option D. X is the right answer. Varun made a shape by folding the given cardboard along dotted line. Which shape did Varun make? Here the right answer will be option C. Option C is the right answer. Some letters are given which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 followed by 4 options containing combinations of these numbers. Find the combinations of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. Here R1, F2, E3, S4, O5, T6. Okay. So here the right answer will be options B. That means 2, 5, 1. So 2, 5, 1. That means F2 is F, na? O, 5 is O. 1 is R. 3 is E. 4 is S. 6 is T. Forest. Yes, forest. Forest. So forest is a meaningful word. Okay. So here the right answer will be option B. What fraction of the given figure is shaded? Here the right answer will be option B, 3 by 8. If chocolate means toffee, toffee means cake and cake means butter, then what is cut of birthday? Chocolate means toffee, toffee means cake and cake means butter. Then what it cut on birthday? That means cake. 23. Okay, that means toffee. Wait, that means toffee. 23 is C. Answer is toffee. Okay. Next question. How many 500 gram rice packets are required to make 6 eggs? Here the right answer will be option B. That means 12. Okay. So how many 500 gram rice packets are required to make 6 kg? That means the answer will be 12. Okay, last question from this chapter. Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed along the arrow. Okay, the right option will be option A, 1834. Okay, so this will be the right answer. Okay. Okay, students. So in our next class, we will discuss about chapter 10, life skills. Okay. Okay. Bye. Thank you.